Best probiotic foods for a healthy gut and digestion. Your gut health is more important than you might think. It's the foundation of good digestion, immunity, and many other crucial body functions. Right inside our gut are trillions of microorganisms, also called gut flora or microbiota, working hard to keep things running smoothly. One simple but powerful way to support your gut health is through probiotics, beneficial bacteria found naturally in certain foods. In this video, let's revisit the best probiotic-rich foods that can enhance your digestion and make your gut thrive. These are easy to find and delicious items you can seamlessly integrate into your daily diet. No gimmicks, no complications, just proven options for a happier, healthier gut. Watch the video all the way through to get a list of probiotic foods and understanding of how they can benefit you. Probiotics are live bacteria that promote a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. Think of them as the good bacteria that work alongside your body's natural processes to aid digestion, support immunity, and even impact mental health. They help maintain healthy gut lining, break down food, and ward off harmful microorganisms. But why are probiotics so crucial? Modern diets and antibiotics, among other factors, can disrupt the good-to-bad bacteria balance in your gut, potentially leading to indigestion, inflammation, or even chronic health issues. Consuming probiotic foods can combat this imbalance, restoring harmony and delivering noticeable improvements in your overall well-being. Now, let's dive into the best natural sources of probiotics you can add to your meals right away. One of the most popular and widely available probiotic foods is yogurt. Made from fermented milk, yogurt is rich in live and active cultures such as lactobacillus, which promote gut health. When choosing yogurt, always look for products labeled "contains live and active cultures" to ensure it has probiotics. Greek yogurt is a great option because it's protein-rich and can be customized with fruits, nuts, or honey. Bonus? It's an easy snack or breakfast item suitable for all ages. However, avoid yogurts with high sugar content or artificial additives. These can counteract the benefits of probiotics and may harm your digestive health. Stick to plain or unsweetened yogurt for maximum benefits. Next on the list is kefir, a lesser-known yet highly effective probiotic source. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink that's loaded with a diverse range of probiotics, sometimes offering more strains than yogurt. Its tangy taste might take a bit of time to get used to, but kefir is incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for smoothies, drink it straight, or add it to salad dressings. Another advantage? Kefir contains minimal lactose, making it a friendlier option for those with lactose sensitivities. Adding kefir to your diet even a few times a week can kickstart your journey toward a healthier gut. If you crave something spicy and crunchy, turn to kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, typically cabbage or radish, along with a vibrant mix of seasonings like chili powder, garlic, and ginger. This flavorful side dish is bursting with lactobacilli and other beneficial bacteria that nourish your gut. The fermentation process enriches kimchi with probiotics while packing it full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Serve kimchi as a topping for rice dishes, salads, tacos, or even scrambled eggs. It's a fun and healthy way to liven up your meals while boosting digestion. Next, we have sauerkraut, which, like kimchi, is made from fermented cabbage. It might not have the spice punch of kimchi, but it's just as rich in probiotics, and often more affordable and accessible. Sauerkraut is easy to incorporate into sandwiches, burgers, or as a simple side dish. But here's a key tip. Always choose unpasteurized sauerkraut. Pasteurization kills the live bacteria, so look for refrigerated options with labels indicating live and active cultures. Loaded with probiotics and vitamins C and K, sauerkraut is a convenient addition to your probiotic lineup. For a comforting probiotic boost, try miso, a traditional Japanese ingredient made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji. It's often used to make miso soup, which is not only delicious but also teeming with beneficial bacteria. Miso is a versatile probiotic ingredient. It works well in soups, marinades, salad dressings, or even stir-fries. Just be sure to avoid boiling it, which can destroy the live cultures. Instead, add miso to warm water or broth right before serving. Adding a cup of miso soup to your meals is an easy way to elevate both your gut health and your flavor experience. Looking for a refreshing drink to quench your thirst and benefit your gut? Meet kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea drink that's been gaining popularity in health-conscious circles. It's rich in probiotics and antioxidants, offering a sparkling way to support your digestive health. Available in a variety of flavors, kombucha is a great alternative to sugary sodas or energy drinks. However, check labels carefully. Opt for brands with minimal sugar content to keep your kombucha healthy. Enjoy a glass of kombucha as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, or pair it with meals for a probiotic boost. For those looking to combine gut health with a plant-based protein source, tempeh is an excellent choice. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh has a firm texture and nutty flavor, making it a great meat alternative in various dishes. Tempeh is rich in probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, along with a hefty dose of protein. Use it in stir-fries, burgers, salads, or sandwiches. Fermented foods like tempeh not only improve digestion, but also provide essential nutrients for overall health. Rounding out our list is a familiar favorite: pickles. Not just any pickles, though. For probiotic benefits, look for pickles fermented in salt water rather than those made with vinegar. Fermentation is what generates the beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Pickles are a quick, low-calorie snack that can be enjoyed on their own or added to sandwiches, wraps, or charcuterie boards. As with other fermented foods, be sure to check the label to confirm they're natural and unpasteurized. Incorporating probiotics into your diet doesn't need to be overwhelming or complicated. With options ranging from everyday staples like yogurt to unique additions like kimchi or kombucha, you have plenty of ways to naturally support your gut health. Remember, consistency is key. Adding one or two of these probiotic-rich foods to your meals regularly can create long-lasting benefits for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. So, why wait? Start small, experiment with different probiotic foods, and discover what works best for you. Your gut will thank you. We'll see you in the next video.